Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hairstyles. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cornrow your own hair. I'm going to be showing you a simple cornrow hairstyle for your natural hair. So my hair is freshly washed and I am going to start by moisturizing it. So I applied oil while still in the bathroom. So now I'm applying leave-in conditioner. So use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. I'm using Garnier Ultra Dox leave-in conditioner. I'm going in with Blue Magic Originals Indian Hemp. So use moisturizers of your choice. So when we are doing cornrows, you need your hair well moisturized and well detangled to avoid the pain that comes with doing cornrows on tangled hair. So I'm also applying my Palmer's hair conditioning cream. And then go in with a white tooth comb to comb my hair. So you can decide to blow your hair out, but I am on a no heat hair journey. So I'm going to start with braids, one row or one line of braids at the back. And also I'm not going to be using any extensions, just my hair. So this is how the braids came out. So I'm going to be sectioning again because I'm going to be doing straight back cornrows for the middle part. If you don't know how to cornrow your own hair, I have detailed tutorials on how to cornrow your own hair. Please check them out. So when you're cornrowing, you start as a normal braid and continue grabbing hair from the back using your index fingers. So it is the same thing as doing braids, but this time you're braiding on the scalp. And make sure to tighten your braids to make sure you get a neat cornrow. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do natural hair styles, yes, skincare, so a little bit of everything about beauty. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new video. So since this is a protective hairstyle, I'm going to use any gels. And your cornrows can come out neat if you grip it tight, not too tight, but a reasonable amount of tight. So that is how the back of the head looks like, and it really came out beautiful. So let's go to the front section. I'm also going to be doing cornrows as well. most beautiful part about having natural hair is that you can do anything you want with your hair. You can design it whichever way you feel like. So those are the braids, yes, and after I'm going to be adding some beads. So I'm using a bobby pin, as you're seeing. Add my beads. Yes, and then after I leave one bead out and then secure that last bead with the hair, with the last strand of the hair with the rubber bands. I hope that makes sense. So I curl the last piece of the hair onto one bead and then tie it with a rubber band. I hope that makes sense. So I'm laying my edges with the fresh hair wax. And I hope you can see how beautiful this hairstyle has turned out with the beads. So I'm applying hair mousse. I use olive oil, wrap and set mousse from ORS. To make sure that I slick all the fly away hair down. So I'm just tying with the satin wrap to let it marinate. And this is the finished look. I'm really so excited about this hairstyle. I'm impressed on how beautiful it came out, on how gorgeous it looks. This is going to last me about 3 weeks or 2 weeks. You know how natural hair can be. But yeah, it really looks good. It really looks beautiful. It is very simple. It is very easy. And yes, I love it. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I mean, look at the back. So my last tip about hairstyling is to keep practicing. Keep practicing until you get it. I'm not yet there, but I'm getting better. My cornrows did not used to look like this when I was just starting, but they are getting better and better each day. Okay, so I really love this hairstyle. Let me know if you will try this hairstyle out. It is really beautiful. You can design, you can style it, design it whichever way you feel like. So bye, I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye.